Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power, and at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also, we have another option to charge our earbuds is to use a phone. And all you need for this is USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect the USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port at the charging case. And again, we can see this LED light, so it's charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!